Good morning, America. How are you? We all are now in your movie here. We try to make you understand what's going on here. I found a good friend here in the streets who makes movies for the live people.
From you, my love, could I laugh again?
You're ready?
If I walk away from you, and leave my love, could I laugh again? You're killing me again.
It's the classic, it's classical gold art. Urban blacksmith, blacklisted Mozart. Requiem for the souls of the old lost. Gather round, we can all watch the throne fall. And you king has ascended a ghost, y'all. Crown me in majesty, oh Lord. Majesty, oh Lord. Oh Lord. Instant classic, this classic gold art. Urban blacksmith, blacklisted Mozart.
It could take your life, could not take your pride.
King must be colder. Exhale, now I look like a smoker. They hail me as king, but when hell freezes over, will I reign supreme and that's hell on your shoulder. Raindrop feel like a boulder. Drown in a pool of your cold blood. Suffocate dumb kings, nothing in lungs. Hold your breath, I'm the heir to the kingdom.
And I'm gonna sing a song for you. Whoa.
All the stars and galaxies address me as your majesty, so better say your majesty. Oh Lord, instant classic, this classical gold art. Urban blacksmith, blackfisted Mozart.